Greetings, my name is Timothy Collinson and I'm the Faculty Librarian for Technology, and this short video is going to just take a look at how we might use the library catalogue to find a print book or an ebook. So if I share my screen with you, hopefully there you can see the library homepage, library.port.ac.uk, and if we click to search library resources, you'll see that the second option down is the library catalogue, and I'm going to search here for something like academic writing, because I want to be able to do really excellent writing for my assignments and my dissertation. And you can see that we're getting library catalogue results of about 3,800 titles there. We could reduce that a little bit by searching for academic writing in quote marks like that, so it's looking for that exact expression rather than just the two words anywhere. And you can see now that it's reduced to some 544 results there. You could, of course, refine that further by using the links on the left to, for example, if you're off campus and you just want ebooks, to limit to just electronic books. In the middle here, you can see that we're finding ebooks and print books and another ebook there. So let's have a look at a print book, for example, Successful Academic Writing by Andy Gillett. And you can see here that we're getting a nice image cover, which you don't always get, but is sometimes very helpful just in knowing what the book's like. You also get a QR code, which puts this information, if you've got a QR code reader on your phone or other device, into the device so that you can save writing down all this information. And you can also see bibliographic information here, which is great for your referencing, of course. The key thing to notice is this grey bar. And if you click on that, you'll see that we've got two copies of this book at 808.02. That's a Dewey Decimal number, if you're familiar with that from other libraries. And then the first three letters of the author's surname. So all the books at that number will be arranged alphabetically. In theory, both of these books should be on the shelves, but if they are out on loan, you can still get hold of them by using the reserve this item. And that will trigger an email going to the person that's got it, and they'll be asked to return it, although they may be allowed up to a week with it, depending on their loan period. The other thing to notice, though, and something that's just changed, is that you can now reserve an item even if it's on the shelves, like these two books. And then a member of library staff will actually go and fetch the books off the shelves and put it on a click to collect shelf down in the atrium, which is also where books will go once they've been returned if they've been borrowed. So that click to collect shelf can be really useful, but wait for the email that tells you it's on there, because it might take a few days for the book to actually get there. If we go back a step and we have a look at the ebook, you can see here that we've got the same kind of deal. We've got the cover image, we've got the QR code, we've got bibliographic information, as you might expect. But instead, this time, instead of the grey bar telling you what Dewey number the book is at, it tells you that it's an electronic book. And you may have noticed there's now a link here to online access or ebook access. It might say various things. Of course, you can't reserve it because it's a different kind of system. And if you click on that online access, you'll now leave the library catalogue and go into the ebook collection. And do take a look at our video that talks about that in a little bit more detail. The final thing to notice if you're struggling to find a print book is that back on this search screen, as well as searching the library catalogue as we did, we can scroll right to the bottom to locate a book, and our book was at 808.02. We only need the number, we don't need the letters. And you can see there that that is actually on floor 1B. So if you come in the main entrance to the library, go up the stairs, you can see the book would be roughly in this area. So hopefully that's a really quick introduction to using the library catalogue to find print and ebooks. There's lots more you can explore on your own, but if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to come back to us via email or via the chat system, or come and see us in person, and we'll be happy to show you more.